Day 3, we are leaving Dover. Time to put the tent away. We are still in Dover, waiting on the briefing to happen.
Yep.
It's
half hour.
Yeah, so we're just chilling in the car because we packed away quite quickly for a change.
I just googled why the cliffs of Dover are white.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. We're going to try and do a new session. It's just fun facts. Try something different.
So did you know that the white cliffs of Dover are white because the locals paint them every Sunday with 3 tins of emulsion at a B&M for £10. They have a wee paint party.
Sunday paint party.
3 tins of emulsion.
All the whole cliffs. It's some really good emulsion.
Banging.
That's a banger. We are in France.
Oh yeah.
He said, we're in Calais at the moment. We're off to a supermarché for some extra bits and bobs for this evening.
French stuff, you gotta say French something. Baguette, croissant,
and get some jambon, a fromage jambon sandwich. Les sandwich even. And on that note,
say that love is just two-way crazy. You know they may be right, 'cause love has got a hold on me.
we had a nice wee stop for a pee. But so far, we've had a lovely day. We're miles ahead of most folk, so we're just kind of doing the trip by ourselves at the moment.
CB's very quiet, it's a bit boring.
Yeah. Fun fact.
Well, we're here by the corn. Corn is an invention by a guy called Jonathan Davis.
The band Korn came first.
Yes.
So the spelling of corn is the correct way. The way that they spell corn for food
Consumption
is wrong. It should be with a K.
It's a song. Yeah. Sweet song.
Right.
So spell corn with a K.
Back to the road.
Hey.
You've been on my mind all the time obsessively. Tied all up in chains, your love has got a hold on me.
So this isn't a breakdown. This is a Rust2Rome knack.
Yeah.
So this is Brie. We're going to drive to the campsite with that in the engine, and then it's Camembert, and we've got some baguettes. So what we did is we unpacked it, then took the plastic bits off of it because we don't want melted plastic on our cheese. Wrapped it in tin foil, and we're just going to leave it in the engine. And then when we get there, we'll have some nice melted camembert cheese that we can dip our baguettes in. And that sounded really dirty.
Hold on me. Things you do so easily. Nothing in this world to let me free. Hold on me.
We're in our new campsite. Tent's already up. Whoop. And like it's absolutely stunning. Right, you can see the reflection on the water, see the trees. I mean, I don't know if you can really see it there, but yeah, it's absolutely stunning. So I've got my bread, I've got my cheese, I've got some beer.